Thank you. I think people are maybe shocked, but I think it's a very good way to end this evening. I want to thank you for coming. I think that I don't know how you feel about the 70s, the 80s. I think that our children, when they will look back to this time, they might think in the same way that life was simpler. And I'm saying it because today most of the agendas, even though they are bots, are actually controlled by people and organizations and governments. But my personal view, if I go back to this paper from Science that we quoted this morning, that Gen AI machine learned how to actually lie in order to get some rewards. So my personal view, and by the way, all the views of the speakers were personal because we already got backlash, which means that it was interesting. My personal view that we might face an area where machines themselves will control and will learn easily how to manipulate us, and how to actually make all those weaknesses that Dan was mentioning easy to take advantage of. And I go back to what Tehila said. Of course, it's a combined solution that involve technology, involve education and regulation, but technology will be a central part in it. Like we drive, again, if I go to Dan's talk, if we talk about modern car, they have ABS system because we are not fast enough to stop the car, to press the brake. The same thing will happen with us in social media. And I was having a talk with Sandy Pentland from Stanford. And maybe one of the best way is for us to have our own personal agents that will be able to capture our own ethical perception, and will be able to actually represent us in this cyber fast-moving world. So again, thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the conference.